Jab by jab, the country's edging towards normality. Now the attention is shifting to the Prime Minister's next move. After that is, he has finished dispensing medical advice.
You've got to go and just make sure that you take it really carefully for the next couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. Right?
Really?
This is the week when Boris Johnson said he would review the data before deciding whether to go ahead with the reopening first of schools in England and then the rest of society.
Next week I'll be setting out a roadmap saying as much as we possibly can about the route to normality, because we want this lockdown to be the last, and we want progress to be cautious but also irreversible.
The government aims to start reopening England's schools fully on the 8th of March. There's speculation that relaxing the restrictions on outdoor socialising could be next. Non-essential retail and personal care like hairdressers may have to wait a bit longer. Pubs and restaurants, starting with outdoor areas, could take longer still. And international travel is likely to be one of the last restrictions to be lifted. At the Snow Goose pub in Farnborough in Hampshire, the beer garden is empty, save for a couple of pet pigs and some fond memories.
It would be absolutely thriving. There would be kids running around everywhere. It's so sad to look out there and see no one.
And landlady Kate Hayden is desperate for a date to reopen, but also, this time, for certainty.
When we reopen, this has to be for the last time. There's just so many cost implications through constantly opening and closing, and we just can't take that. The emotional impact, I can't even begin to tell you how stressful it's been on me and my family and the people that come in here.
Which is perhaps one reason the Prime Minister is being so cautious about telling us how he plans to reopen society. Will you wait then to see what effect the reopening of schools has had on the rate of infections before you open up anything else?
We don't really yet have sufficient clarity on the data to be sure now, today. These decisions we will take in the course of this week, but they're not yet taken.
So it will be at least another week before we find out all those things we want to know, like how schools will reopen and who, if anyone, you can sit with on a park bench.